Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade Forex on TradeLocker. It's very simple because if you go right here to symbols on this page right here, you see here all, and then from here we can decide cryptos, energies, EU shares, or Forex exotics, majors and minors. So let's say we want a Forex exotic. So from here we can decide what we want to do. So yeah, we have a lot of options right here. We can also go to Forex majors, or we can go to Forex minors. So let's say we want to have the euro and the Australian dollar. Then we have here the chart, and now we can trade Forex by choosing a position with buying a position here on the chart. So if you now click here on buy and do confirm, we opened a position, and now we just trade or create our position on a Forex. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.